Hello traders, the title of the video is Australian FS trader dissects Australian US dollar price action like a pro. Alright, so we are looking at the Australian US dollar currency pair on the monthly chart, and we want to dissect the price action. Alright, so we want to understand the message that the price action is communicating to us. We want to interpret the price structure in order to determine the best time one should buy or sell the Australian US dollar. All right? So looking at the price structure here, because everybody will agree that it did went up like this. Now it's coming down. All right? So where is it headed? It's headed to the ultimate target that is headed to is this one here. 06300, that zone. It's a zone, not a level, but a zone. Looking at the price structure, you see people are selling. There's this support here. Price telling us that there was a support here, but it bounced up, it's coming down. If you break below that level, the market will try to retest the 06300. But between the level of 0709, always when you see two key level, there's always the middleman or the median line. See it as a middleman, okay? So when you see that the price has a high chance to go to the orange, to the green line, and there was another key level before that, sometimes the market will prefer the midpoint, target instead of the ultimate target. So remember that the ultimate target where it's headed to is a 06300, but before that we have 0651. There is this support here. The price did find a support there and did not hide it. Here it did find a resistance there. It bounced out for the resistance, come down before going back above it. 07009. All right. Something else is happening that Elliott trader will see. There was this small triangle. You see that? And the price came out. So Elliott trader will say, first move, then we have another small triangle here. Maybe I should record a video for Elliott traders. There this move down. And then we have this move down. Now we have this forward, so we may say, all right. As our Elliott traders, looking at it, we are talking about Australian FS trader, dissect Australian US dollar price action like a pro. So in order to dissect the price structure, we can also use, the Elliott wave structure. You see, bearish first wave, followed by the bearish second wave. This video is not about Elliott wave, it's about dissecting the price action. But in order to dissect the price action, we can use the wave patterns. That's why we are talking about wave pattern, though the topic is not as such about Elliott wave. It's about dissecting the price structure. Okay, so we say 4. How many times? It's about how the price came down. This is what we are doing now. Came down like this, and then consolidate, came down like this, and then rally like this. Okay, so we say one move, one contra trend, one move, one contra trend. All right, that's what we are doing here. So if he fails to find a support here, he can continue to go either to the orange or to the green line. So when that is finished, right now we can see that we are now in the 5th bearish wave. Or somewhere there. Okay? Even all, I put it here for now. Can come all the way here, but without it can stop here, or can dip a little bit below this one, before turning around. We will see. But not turning around, but it can consolidate after that, do blah, 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 consolidation, or turn around a bit, blah, 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 or can just turn around straight away. So looking at the price structure of the Australian US dollar, this is what we see. This move down is normal because of the wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one move down. Can stop at 0.709 or can continue to 0.6651, even to 0.6300. I doubt it that you come back all the way here, but that's where it's headed right now. All right. The next thing, talking about Australia FX trader, dissect. We can use the pitchfork tool to determine the possible path that the price will take. We need 3 points to do that. And I will show you now right here. That's it. So my first point is this one here. April 2013. Second point, September 2015. Third point for the pitchfork tool, January 2018. So with those 3 points, we draw our pitchfork tool. And anytime we draw a pitchfork tool, we can also draw the median line of the upper half or the lower half of the pitchfork tool. So what I'm doing now, the line that I'm drawing now, is the median line. I'm dividing, you see, from here. See, this is the upper half of the pitchfork tool. I'm dividing into 2. So the intersection between any part of the pitchfork tool and, so that any horizontal line, intersection between any part of the pitchfork tool and intersection, this is a hot spot trading zone. Those are hot spot trading zone. This is a hot spot trading zone because we have intersection between the pitchfork tool and that horizontal line. It's another hot spot trading zone. We leave it there. It's a hot spot trading zone. And there's another hot spot trading zone, which is the intersection between the green line, and the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool. So I leave it here for now. So at this point in time, what can we say to traders? We'll say to traders, priority to bull signal above 0.709. That's where we are coming to now. Priority to bear signal below 0.709. So if you break below it and find a resistance, one should give prior to bear signal up to 0.6651. If you break below 0.6651 and find a resistance, we'll take it down to 0.6300. All we are looking for trading setup on or near one of those key level or any part of the pitchfork tool. All right. Talking about the price structure of the Australian dollar US dollar, there's a high shot that this move may break below 0.7009 because of the activity of Elliott wave traders. But that remains to be seen until it breaks below that level of 0.7009. It's a very important level right now. Yeah, don't forget that. That level where we are now, that's where the price is touching today, so to speak. You get it now? Right? Because it did find a support here before. There was a resistance here. So it's a key level. We can look for trading opportunity on here. Go to the 50-minute time frame. We can't see that line now. Okay, let's see on the hourly time frame. We can see either that green line I'm looking for. All right, it's quite down somewhere here. Probably will see it. Oops. I can't see that line. Somewhere here it is. This I'm talking somewhere here. Okay. It's not showing on the daily chart. Okay. Well, so we're just looking for trading setup on or near that level of 0.7009. All right. Looking at the price structure of the Australian dollar US dollar, you see, so there was a down move forming the third wave. Then we see this rally up. You see the rally in a channel. So if we dip below the channel, people will measure the width of that channel to set a target like this. So you see the target is this level of 07009. That's the target level. Are we going to have a convergent trading signal there? That remains to be seen at 07009. All right. Anything else that we can talk about? Talking about the price action of the Australian dollar, US dollar. So the price went up all the way up here. Find that at 11107. And now it's turning around. It's going down, looking for a better support level. If we apply Fibonacci retracement to this prior move up, you can see that the price breaks below the 78.6%. No, it's at 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here, 2009 to 2011. At 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Is he going to form a double bottom here by finding the support? But one cannot trade forex without paying attention to the economy news. So what is happening now? The U.S. Federal Reserve is putting up interest rates, which means the Australian dollar will be depreciating against the US dollar, which means the US dollar will be appreciating against the Australian dollar. The US dollar will be strengthening, in comparison to the Australian dollar. So there is a bearish pressure on the Australian dollar in regard to the US dollar. That's what's going on now. So you can't ignore the Federal Reserve monetary policy right now. It's about putting up interest rates. All right, that's what's going on now. So people are selling currencies against the US dollar. They are buying the US dollar and selling other currencies against the US dollar. So anytime you find yourself selling the US dollar, you want to be very careful because of the monetary policy that is in place. Before, they were devaluing. You see, when the Australian dollar was strengthening against the US dollar, it's because of the monetary policy in the United States. They were devaluing the US dollar. So the US dollar was weakening against the Australian dollar. Now the current policy is that the US dollar is strengthening against the Australian dollar. So any trading strategy, whether day trading, swing trading, or position trading, should take into consideration the US Federal Reserve monetary policy that is in place today until that policy is changed. So talking about medium term to long term, this currency pair has more chance to go down because of the monetary policy. So apart from everything that I was talking about Australian FX trader, dissect Australian US dollar price action like a pro, one should not ignore also the reality of fundamental trading or the economy news. So this will conclude our discussion today about Australian FX trader, dissect Australian US dollar price action like a pro. So what are you looking for? You are looking for trading setup in the vicinity of those key levels. That's it. All right? So this channel that I'm talking about, you see here, that channel. So what do you need? You apply what we call market geometry. So you project it, see that channel. That blue channel of the rally. Price is now the price break below it. We switch into market geometry, yes or no? This is about dissecting the price action. So where is it going? The ultimate target is 06300, midpoint target 06651, but using market geometry is also a target projecting that channel up, down. It's on the edge of that projected channel. Can you see that? The blue channel, we project it down. The direction price. If it break below in the final resistance, we'll project it one more time, drawing a donor line that is parallel. So you may say to me, George, I don't know anything about market geometry. In fact, it's the first time I heard about market geometry. Then I say to you, don't worry. All right. YouTube search market geometry by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Don't watch any video from any other channel. Alright, go to Day Pro Trader YouTube search, market geometry by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. And you see a playlist, and I'll be speaking with my beautiful accent. Alright, something like that. And you can recognize my voice and say, oh, that's George. And watch only our video about market geometry. Now, this to make you laugh a bit. I mean it, in fact, I mean it. Alright? Okay? So if it goes below the second channel, projected channel, you push it back down again. Again, anytime we have a channel, again, draw the media line of that channel. You see? So, the idea, the purpose of drawing all those lines, you say, too many lines, George. Tell me to buy or sell. You want to buy, you see here, now this is a hot spot. This is always the intersection of two, you see this trend line and the green one is sitting on it. Will it find a support? So you'll be monitoring the price action there. If it happens, you see a trading setup, a valid trading setup there, then you will break it down using a different time frame trading method to trade it. If there's no trading setup and it break below that level 07009 and then retest it again and find a resistance, or you see a bearish candlestick pattern, you implement a top down trading method to sell it down. As it's going down, be aware of the median line of the third channel and also 06651. If you break below those key levels, we'll take it down to the lower part of the third channel, even to the level of 06300. All we are doing, as we map it out like this, we just go and look for trading setup around those key levels. Once we see one, the next step is to use a different time frame trading method to trade it like a pro. So this will conclude our discussion today about Australian FS trader, dissect Australian US dollar, price action like a pro without ignoring the fundamentals and the economy news. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other Australian dollars traders, feel free to share with your friend on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today, and be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Australian FS trader dissects Australian US dollar price action like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.